Yellow craft paper often works as indicator. Here experimenting with acid and base. Let's make the solution. Here we are taking sodium hydroxide or caustic soda for base. And for acid we are using lemon juice. Now we will test the pH value. Yeah, it's weak acid as we have diluted the solution. And this one is basic. Now we are gonna test with this craft paper. Here it doesn't show any change. Here it changed to red. Yeah, here you can see it's reddish in color. Reason behind this color change is due to the chromatography of colors that we will discuss about later. Now we will test with the turmeric powder. First of all, we will wet this paper so that the turmeric powder gets easily stick to it. Now spread the turmeric powder all over. Here it's done. Now we will dry this paper. Here we are using hair dryer as we don't have much time to put it in direct sunlight. Here it's dried up. Now it's ready to taste. Here we are making alkaline solution. And we are using sodium hydroxide again. Now it's ready to taste. Yeah, here it converted to reddish color. You can see yeah, it's somehow reddish in color. Now we will discuss about the reason. Yellow color of turmeric is due to the curcumin compound. Yellow color paper gets changed to red because of the alkaline solution that changes their molecular structure. Due to that, their wavelength that it absorbs get varied and that's the reason it seems reddish in color. To subscribe for even more scientific videos.